In this video, I'm going to show you some simple steps to help fix common issues with your Toyota Prius hybrid battery. If you're seeing warning lights or your Prius isn't performing like it used to, these tips might help. First, check the 12-volt auxiliary battery under the hood. A weak or dead 12-volt battery can cause hybrid system problems, so test it with a multimeter and replace it if needed. Next, try resetting your Prius by turning it off, waiting a few minutes, and then restarting it. Sometimes the system just needs a quick reboot to clear minor errors. If you're comfortable with tools, inspect the hybrid battery connections and clean any corrosion from the terminals. Loose or dirty connections can affect battery performance. For more serious battery issues, such as degraded capacity, you might need a professional to test the hybrid battery pack or consider replacing individual battery modules. If this video helped you with your Prius battery, please like and subscribe for more practical car tips. Thanks for watching.